Hey guys, we're back with another one. Thanks for tuning in. This is just a short video that I put together of my son and I swimming in our apartment pool the last day it was open this year. He wanted to swim and I wanted to fly, so of course we had to compromise and do both. The quick shots feature that the Mini 2 offers was used a lot this day as I was jumping in the pool with him, and it did a wonderful job, might I add. If you would like to see a video on how I use the quick shots feature to my advantage to make videos like this, make sure to drop a like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and as always, enjoy the flight. What's this? YouTube is telling me that 88% of you aren't subscribed right now. I make videos every single week, so make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on so you don't miss out on any epic content. Video's coming to an end. For those that stuck around this long, thank you. I truly appreciate it. Tune in next week for more epic drone content. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this video, and if you'd like to see more like this, or if you'd like to keep going down the rabbit hole now, YouTube and I have picked a few videos we think you might like. Check them out.